Hello everyone, I Zainab Tinwala, lecturer from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp, Pune, welcome you to my study channel. Today's topic is distinguish between Henry Fayol management theory and F.W. Taylor's scientific management. So, in my previous video, I had already explained you all Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management and F.W. Taylor's 6 principles of scientific management. So, in today's video, I am going to give the difference between both two theories. So, let's begin. First, meaning. Henry Fayol is known as father of modern management, who laid down 14 principles of management for improving overall administration, whereas F.W. Taylor is a father of scientific management who developed 6 principles of management for increasing overall productivity. As we all know, Henry Fayol was a French mining engineer and industrialist, and F.W. Taylor was an American mechanical engineer. Henry Fayol's concept to lay down these principles was based on general theory of administration, whereas F.W. Taylor's concept of his scientific management principles were based on scientific management. Henry Fayol's principles are applicable universally, whereas F.W. Taylor's principles are applied to specialized organizations only. Orientation. The next point of difference is orientation. Here, orientation means managerial function. That means Henry Fayol relate stress to managerial functions like at top level management, and he all the functions, all the principles, if we go to see, like principle of scalar chain, principle of unity, principle of discipline, principle of command, principle of direction, principles of authority and responsibility, all these principles are based on the concept of for the top level management, whereas your F.W. Taylor oriented all these principles for lower level management, like harmony not discord, mental revolution, cooperation not individualism. All these principles were based for the lower level management, so that there is no conflict between the manager and the employees, and they work together. Basis of the formation. When Henry Fayol formed these principles on his personal experience, like when he was a worker, then he was a foreman, and then he was an engineer in the same post, and at last he became an industrialist. When he saw all this happening in an organization, and when he faced all such kinds of things, from his observation he formed these 14 principles, whereas F.W. Taylor was an engineer. So when he observed all this things happening in his factory, and he experimented this in his factory, and then he came to this conclusion, and he made 6 principles of scientific management. Next point of difference is system of wage payment. Here, according to Henry Fayol, the profit is shared with the managers, whereas F.W. Taylor said differential payment system. Like Henry Fayol focused that whatever profit the organization gets, it's shared equally among the managers, and F.W. Taylor said that there should be a difference in the payment system, like the managers have more responsibilities than the workers, so the managers have to be paid more and the workers have to be paid less, and even according to the work, according to the skill, according to their talent, they have to be paid. This principle was laid down by F.W. Taylor. Henry Fayol mentioned all his principles in a book called as General and Industrial Management, whereas F.W. Taylor laid down his 6 principles of management in the book called The Principles of Scientific Management. Henry Fayol, as he was a manager at the end of his days, he was at the post of a manager, so he made these principles having an approach as a manager, whereas F.W. Taylor was an engineer. He used to work on machines, and that's why his approach was in a scientific way, and that's why his approach is called as engineer's approach, because the engineers work on scientific manners. There are scientific principles applied. So F.W. Taylor's principle had an engineer's approach, whereas Henry Fayol's management had a manager's approach. So here is a brief of what I already have mentioned in the distinguish. So let's conclude with the difference that both the management thinkers have an immense contribution in the field of management, which is not contradictory but complementary in nature. That means these two, Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor, they did not contradict each other, means they did not go opposite each other, but they complemented each other, means whatever points were missed out by F.W. Taylor were covered by Henry Fayol, and what other points were missed out by Henry Fayol were covered by F.W. Taylor. That means when Henry Fayol focused on management, F.W. focused on employees. So when in an organization, if you see Henry Fayol as well as F.W. Taylor's, both principles are applied. While Henry Fayol is an ardent proponent of unity of command, F.W. Taylor is of the opinion that it is not sustainable that under functional foremanship an employee receives orders from multiple bosses. Both say that the employee should receive orders from one only boss. Both of them say that the work should be divided and the responsibilities also should be divided. Both say that all the employees and management have to work as a team. Both of them are of the opinion that there should be initiative, there should be no conflicts between the management and the workers. They have to work as a team. So that's why it is said that their theories do not contradict each other, but their theories complement each other. That is, they don't go against each other. They both come together and they make the entire organization work as an entire team so that the output is the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.